Halloween sales are booming right now on Etsy, and I stumbled upon a Halloween wall art digital product that is consistently generating daily sales. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own version of this bestseller with just a simple prompt and a free image generation platform. To make it even easier, I'll provide you a link to 100 top selling prompts to get you started right away. Halloween is fast approaching, and now is the perfect time to jump right in. By entering a prompt into one of these image generation platforms, you can create a clean-looking Halloween wall art design to sell on Etsy. However, instead of creating numerous random designs that might not sell, it's wise to draw inspiration from a design that is already successful. For example, I searched for Halloween wall art on Etsy and I came across a product called Dark and Moody Halloween Print, which is currently rated as the bestseller in this category. This product has made 5 sales in the last 24 hours, indicating strong demand, and the reviews suggest it's continuing to generate daily sales. You also notice that this store offers more similar designs to this, which have the potential to double its revenue, and by using Alura shop analyzer, you can input the shop name to quickly gain insight into the monthly and total revenue generated by this product. Additionally, by searching for the product's name using Alura's keyword research tool, I discovered that the low competition in this niche is one of the reasons why it receives so many sales. So imagine adding a similar design to your Etsy store today. However, before creating any listings, it's crucial to sort your competitors' reviews by lowest rating to identify any potential issues. In this case, I was surprised to find out that this product didn't receive a single negative reviews, which indicate high customer satisfaction with this type of design. To generate these images using AI, you need an image generation platform that delivers quality results. In this video, I discovered 2 free alternatives to Midjourney that perform well for this type of designs. The goal is to generate the same prompt on both platforms, and then you decide which one impresses you more. The first AI platform is Ideogram, which is best known for generating impressive text. Now, when you go to the prompt section and change the aspect ratio to portrait, you can enter a simple prompt like "Imagine an abandoned castle," and you could get a decent result like this. But to compete with these top sellers on Etsy, you need a detailed prompt that can generate similar results to your competitors. So to do this, I went over to the title area of these listings to gather keywords I can add to my prompt. And while looking at the thumbnail, I realized the images had this unique style of painting. So after experimenting with various prompts and style, I finally landed on a style that produced similar results. And here's how I wrote my prompt. First, I began with the customization of the prompt, followed by the subject. Imagine an impasto painting of a dark and moody abandoned castle. I added mist color to create a foggy atmosphere, and then I finalized the prompt with "in a dark romanticism art style." And when I generated this prompt in Ideogram AI, these are the 4 results I got. I also tested this prompt in Magic Media within Canva. I created a custom portrait size in Canva and selected Magic Media from the app section. The free version gave me 50 credits to generate AI images. After changing the aspect ratio to portrait, I generated the prompt and received 4 impressive results. After choosing the one I like best, I scaled it to fit the canvas. Now, putting them side by side, which do you fancy the most? And here's another prompt that produced a great result. But to save you time in crafting these prompts yourself, I've created 100 prompts that will help you in generating this top-selling Halloween wall art. The link to access this prompt is available in the description. And special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. But unfortunately, AI-generated images on this platform are often low resolution, typically around 1K pixels, which can become pixelated when printed in larger sizes. To solve this issue, I found a platform called let'senhance.io, which allows you to upscale your images up to 16K resolution. The link to this platform is available in the description. Now that we upscale our images, the next step is to check 2 important boxes: frame size and mockups. And I'll show you how to easily get this type of Halloween mockups for your designs. But first, let's talk about the frame size. It's crucial to prepare your design in as many sizes as possible, because this is something customers take seriously in wall art. The best and fast way to do this is by exporting your design at the highest size in every aspect ratio. This way, customers can scale it down to their preferred size, and you can easily do this in Canva by creating a custom size and imputing one of these sizes. Import your design into the canvas and export it as PNG. For the mockup, you can easily find Halloween theme mockup by searching in the element section of Canva. However, you might notice that most mockups images lack that dark Halloween look. To achieve this look, I use a simple prompt like this to generate these mockup images. After generating the mockup, I upload it into Canva and import my design to fit in. This transforms your mockup from a friendly style to a darker, more fitting Halloween vibes. Finally, it's best to upload multiple designs in one listing to provide customers with more variations. However, Etsy only allows up to 5 designs per listings with a maximum size of 20 MB. To include more designs in a single listing, upload all your design to a cloud storage service like Google Drive. Then create a PDF page with a clickable download button linking to the Google Drive folder. Upload this PDF to Etsy so that when customers click on it, they'll be directed to the folder with all your designs. Additionally, include links to similar products in the PDF so customers can easily find related products in your store. And you can easily create this PDF file in Canva by searching and choosing one of these PDF page. Add a download button from the element section and include a text instruction above the button. Now to link your Google Drive folder to the download button, select the button, click on these three dots, swipe to the end, choose link and paste your Google Drive link. Repeat this process for the link that will lead customers to similar products in your store. Remember, the best way to make quick sales on Etsy is by posting what people actually want. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.